Welcome to the wheel making for the Sauber-Mercedes C9 in scale 1:24. This is the fifth video of this build-up series, and today I show you how I prepare the wheels. My name is Michael Niemas. I'm not only a slot racer but also a model builder, and I want to give you a look on how I create these things. The wheels are technically ready, what means the tires are glued, they are sanded, they are trued, the rims, which are made of aluminium, are turned to the correct size, and now I prepare everything to make them look as realistic as possible. The beginning is simple. Here I just put a flat black on the rear side of the inner rim and on the outside edge of the rim, because all of the wheel will be later black. The already prepared inserts for the front and the rear got a decal on it, and this is what we are doing now. With a Q-tip, I suck all of the liquid under the decal. If you have eagle eyes, you will be able to see that we are talking about speedline wheels. With a very fine brush, I paint the central lock system of the rim, and after this I add some balance weights to the inside of the insert. So far so good, but now I have to look for the safety splint in the middle of every wheel. And believe me, these are really tiny. You have to be very careful that you don't lose these little parts, because you also have to have in mind that due to magnetic effects on your tweezers, your calipers, whatever it is, you can also easily lose them in that way. The next step is to prepare the edged brake disc with a little bit of rough sanding paper, which give it a realistic look. At the front wheel, I glue the brake disc into the rim, and herefore I use Patek's 100% solvent-free glue, which is just fantastic. As you could already see, I'm a big fan of tooth sticks. The front brake disc is in now. Let us jump now to the rear wheel brake disc, and here we have another setting. We have the brake disc, Then there we have some spacers who fit perfectly on the insert and the insert itself. After gluing everything together, I painted the splint finally in red. Now I'm back at the front wheel, and here I add a hub to the brake disc that is now glued strong to the front wheel. To give the whole thing a final touch, I added a little bit of Panaline accent color. The moment is coming closer where I will insert the inserts to the rims. I add on every rim a little bit of the Pattex glue, and when this is not completely fluid anymore, I will start the process. Phew, it still fits with all of the paint. The wheels are basically ready now, but we are looking for the Michelin letters that come on the side. And from my friend Fola Osu from Slotfabrik, I got specially made tire stickers, and now I will try them for the very first time. What should I say? Especially on sponge tires, these are just great to apply, and the look is also very good. When you get familiar with these flexible stickers, it's going really fast to apply them. Now we are ready with the wheels, and I'm very excited that they came out so good. You saw it, how much work it was. It was nearly 1 day working on these wheels. And I think the look of these wheels will fit very good to the body shape. So now I will add the wheels to the chassis, and then we will have an overall look. Every wheel has next to the Michelin letters a marking, whether they are for the front left, front right or rear right. The design of the speedline rims, the tires, the Michelin letters, the dark chassis, the diffuser, everything matches already very good together. Okay, I add the body to see what we have now in our hands. Isn't this car already beautiful? I like the look of the very dark blue body and now the black wheels with the Michelin decals on it. Already very great looking. In the next video, I want to finish this model. We have to do many things. The cockpit, the wing need to be added, but that's the last. The front lights, we have many details on the body. We have to install the lighting kit that will come in. And yeah, let's see if we can do this. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video about the wheel making. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment. Please like this video if you were enjoying this. Yeah, subscribe to my channel and I see you the next time. Bye, your Michael.